Hello, everyone. It's me, Miss Becky, with Fat Luck Creations. And I was like, I didn't order anything. So it had to come from one of our viewers, one of my fellow crafters, Anita Ullman. At least that's who I think it came from. So I'm going to open it. And I said, let me do this on camera. I hope this is quick. I'm going to do a short. I may even add music and just write it in. But here we go. It's very late. I need to be in bed, but I wanted to do this. So I'm always doing unboxings. Maybe one day I'll sit down and do a video like this. But here we are. Let me check it out. Let's see what we got. Hope she doesn't mind me doing it on air. So this is, what is this? I'm looking. Oh, this is nice. This is beautiful. Look at that. Can y'all see it? Okay, well, here we go. And because you love red, I'm including some extra goodies. This is so nice, everyone. So let's see what we have. There's a bag. And these look like samples. So I've seen these before. It's a gift for you. Let me see what it says. Be careful. Read it before I say something. I'm speaking. Okay, so it says, and it is from Anita. She says, I'm the person behind B Girl Chick that makes the bling bits you've seen Tianda using. I'm sending you this set, not for any recognition at all, but just to say thank you for all you do. This is so sweet. Oh, thank you, Anita. I almost want to cry. I'm serious. I was having a rough one today. Look at these. Aren't these beautiful? So pretty. So pretty. So I can use these for when people want to use rhinestones. I think I might take these to work with me tomorrow. Look at these gorgeous. This is beautiful work, people. And then it tells you what. Look at that. Is this not nice to show what your stones look like? I love this. Look at that. Oh, look at that red. Oh, boom, 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 boom. I like all three of these. Siam, dark cyan. I got to put this to the side. I have an idea for these. Put these to the side. Look at the greens. I love. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. So we have such talented people. You guys are so talented. Glad you shared this. Such beautiful talent. Look at that. I hate this computer. I'm on my desktop because I wanted to do this quick and be done. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. This was supposed to be I can't help myself. I don't know how to do things quickly. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Look at that. Look at that blue. I am taking this into the job tomorrow. And I'm showing my ladies. Look. Oh, just beautiful. I am loving it. Look at that. I can't tell you how excited I am. I cannot. These, and I love how they put them. This is such a beautiful combination. I would never thought to put this together. Look at that. This is Champagne, Jonquil AB, Jonquil, and Champagne AB. I like how those, I like this. It's another one I need to put to the side. These color, how she, oh, you guys, you're too good. You're too good to me. I am so nice. These are beautiful. Beautiful. And my camera is really doing it justice today. Let me put this over here. Let me get my red. I have ideas for those. Look at that. I'm almost done. Catch up with me, camera. I'm almost done. Oh my gosh. Is it? Let me come on. Show this real quick. This is gorgeous. I need my camera to stop making that stupid noise. I'm gonna make that in my video. Look at this. I know it's funny making this noise in my video. So pretty. So pretty. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful colors. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. All right, let me rush. Look at that. Stop buzzing before I have to do this again. I do not want that buzzing in my video. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get rid of the buzzing. No. And this is so great. I've been on YouTube for exactly a year. What day was it? In the neons. I like the neons. The neons look like sweet tart candies to me. I've been on YouTube for exactly a year, January 13th. Oh, and then, little note cards. Isn't that nice? I love it. I love it. So, and I was a little bummed because I wanted to make it to 200 by my anniversary. I didn't make it, but that's okay. You know, that's what I tell myself. It's okay. Slow and steady wins the race. And then I say, remember your why. And I was like, you don't have a why, Therese. But this is the why. For awesome people out there who watch and you think they're not noticing what you're doing, but they have talent that no one is showing or talking about. And this is just beyond awesome. You guys should check her out. I think this is really great. I will follow up with, how she sells or how you get these. I will also post it. And this is just, oh, look, it's a key fob. My favorite colors, red. This is just a little something extra. Oh, look at this. Look at this. If you think this is not my new, this is my new favorite pen. Look at that. Look at that. And I think she did this herself. I feel like this is her talent. You guys, look at my pen in my favorite color. Oh, no, it's just a regular pen. Oh, I'm taking this to work. But can't nobody steal this one. This is mine. Anita, and let me see the name of the company again, because I want to make sure I get it right. I don't want to, and I love this little bag. Both bags are awesome. So this is Anita Ullman. I hope I'm saying it right, with Be Girl Chic. Be Girl Chic. The letter B, girl, G-I-R-L, GIRL Chic. I will try to get her information to put it in the to tag it, and then she gave me some. Look at that, Mocha Light Siam. It looks like red, but it's a mocha. I keep checking my camera to make sure it's not freezing. This is, ooh, I love it. I love it. You guys, this is sincere. Look at that. This, oh, I love the Auburn. I said that. I love that. These are, I think these are Tionda's. If not, I'm giving Tionda credit. But oh, look at those colors. You see that? I love it. I love everything. I am, if you can see my face, oh, look at this. Look at it. Okay, it's 10 minutes. I need to be in bed. These are gorgeous. I love everything. I am truly, in a refill. She gave me a pen refill. That's me clapping. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I said, let me do this. Let me check this box. Now, you got a package. I said, let me check this box before I go to bed. And then I says, you know what? Let's do it on film because you never film anything. And maybe it is from Anita. And sure enough, it is. And I am so, so appreciative. And I'm going to, I got to do it. I got to redo it in an SS10. It's a design I have, and I'm going to have to redo it in an SS10 so I can use these colors. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Anita. I am more than appreciative, so thankful, and I appreciate you thinking of me and sharing with me. And I will send you an email so I can attach your information so other people can know about you. To everyone, thank you for the privilege of your time, and I appreciate you all. Good night.